Mr. Barnaby, I have the quarterly financial statements ready for your review. Arthur, thank goodness you're here. I was just looking at these. They look like ancient hieroglyphs to me. It's quite simple, sir. Let's start with the income statement. Think of it as a story of what we earned and what we spent over the last 3 months. So the hero of the story is the revenue, and the villain is the expense. Precisely. And the surviving hero at the very end of the page is our net profit. I love a happy ending, but what about this heavy one? The balance... That is a snapshot of right now. What you own, your assets, versus what you owe, your liabilities. They must balance perfectly on a scale. Like a perfectly stacked tower of blocks. If it's uneven, the whole business tips over. Exactly. Finally, the cash flow statement. It tracks the actual cash moving in and out. You can be profitable on paper, but if the cash isn't flowing, the business dries up. Like a water slide without water. A complete disaster. Chafing everywhere. You've got it, sir. And I'm happy to report your financials are healthy, and the water is definitely flowing. Brilliant, Arthur! You're a genius! To the water slide of success!